Hello, today we will figure out how to download GB WhatsApp to your Android smartphone. First, we need to go to any browser. Mine is Chrome. Go to the search bar and write GB WhatsApp download APK and continue. In the results that appear, we go to the first site. We are waiting for the download. The file weighs 48 megabytes. Pluses and minuses are shown here. Scroll down and click on Download, and click on Download anyway. Waiting for the file to download. Then click on the Open button and then click Install. We are waiting for application to be installed. We are waiting for the smartphone to check it for various viruses. Everything is ready. Now we can go to the main screen, and here we see the installed GB WhatsApp. We can enter it. We accept everything, then you can use your account. In the next video I'll show you how to do it, so stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and like the video.